Pat really didn't intend to leave the apartment for her. However, remember that went into the lawyer's office and actually saw this draft. And that draft is proof. And therefore, the proof is enough to show that Pat cared.
其實咧就拍攝嘅時候，我好觸動，我自己本人好觸動嘅咧就係 ending 嗰個，我同 Angie 兩個坐喺度，大家講嗰番説話，因為好似個天咧都同我哋配合埋。其實導演冇要求啊，陰天啊、落雨啊，但係我哋越拍就越大雨，一路嗰個氣氛咧，直情係好到不得了，令到我。Angie 係好容易入戲嘅，但係因為我唔係咁叻噶嘛，所以咧嗰個氣氛令到我覺得嗰個 moment 係我真係對佢係代入愛河啊，有愛意啊。
The most touching was the final scene, and it was just, the way that we talked to each other, the dialogue. But remember, we did not ask heaven to actually pour rain, but during the shooting, the rain got heavier and heavier. But the thing is, there's just something very, very touching about those moments, and really, I felt very much as if that was that moment that I fell in love. Another question, 仲有冇問題 ？OK， 中間黑色 T-shirt。
Congratulations, everyone. And it was a real pleasure to hear the audience finding so much humor in the film tonight. And I am just curious how much you anticipated that, Ray. How much were you working towards a film that people might find humor in? I've watched your last 3 films. I don't know how many people in Hong Kong have watched Front Cover, but Front Cover has more of a broad sensibility and more of an obvious appreciation for humor. So it was very interesting for me to see you sort of maybe coming back to an earlier form. So I'm just wondering, what you would say about that. Thank you.
想問一問電影裏邊嘅幽默感，因為發現咧今日呢一個電影喺度放映嗰陣時咧，就發現啲觀眾其實係有笑嘅。咁就想講講，因為你知道導演之前咧，其實係再早期係有電影戲多少少幽默嘅。咁想問一問呢個幽默嘅處理方法。
其實咧喺個電影裏邊咧，我諗因為嗰個電影嗰個故事咧，其實已經好 sad。咁我哋其實人咧係一個好自然嘅反應咧，係當好多嘢都係好慘嘅時候咧，我哋就會喺苦中裏邊作樂。咁其實我覺得觀眾咧好多時睇個電影嘅時候咧，其實某部分其實已經係好苦嘅咧，佢哋係要喺嗰度尋求有啲嘢令到佢哋覺得有一個笑聲嚟 relieve 佢哋嘅 attention。
This is a sad film. The story is sad. But the thing is, there is something about human nature and human reflection. We would actually try and find something funny in something that is very sad. And so that is a way of actually finding relief. And I think that there is points in this film that actually showed and allowed for that relief. Okay, a question in the first row, Yes, you definitely get your microphone.
I'm not really a first-row person, but I am actually a senior foreign correspondent, CNN, BBC, and I've done this festival when Roger Garcia used to run it very well, and I love it.
Your question,
it's my best event of the year. And what I really liked about this film, compared to many Cantonese films, is that the pace is perfect, and you talk about real people talking about real things. Inheritance is a big drama for people, and you did it very, very well.
And the question?
Do you know how well you did it?
好好，同埋咧個描述嗰啲人覺得係好真實。就想知道導演知唔知道佢自己其實拍呢個電影係拍得幾成功
？Did you portray people very well? I think you did, and that's what's very important in cinema. Talk about people and how they feel properly, really, from the heart. That's what you did. Did you or did you not?
想知道導演知唔知道其實佢當時係捕捉到咁真實嘅社會裏邊嘅人，佢哋嘅感情同埋感情嘅抒發。
其實做一個導演咧，好多時咧嗰個本事唔係個導演本身，而係佢可以認識到每一個去工作一齊嘅人咧，佢哋嗰啲叻嘅嘢。咁所以咧，我好彩啦，遇到成班團隊咧，無論係監製啊、演員啊、幕後嘅攝影啊、美術啊，同埋好彩咁有張淑平幫我做剪接啊，咁所以呢啲咁嘅嘢咧，加埋咧就可以幫助到呢部電影。
And just say, thank you. The audience is saying thank you for a great film.
多謝。Okay, the answer is very thoughtful because, you know, making a film isn't just the work of the director. You need a team. You need to actually be able to get to know people who can help you. The cast. People who actually are behind the scenes, the crew. You have, I mean, I'm very lucky that William Joseph is the person who did the editing for me. So there was just a lot of people, and I have to thank everybody in this cast who actually was part of a team that made this film good, great. Fantastic. I think we have time for 2 more questions. 最後2個問題啦，如果唔係佢哋喺度罰企啊。有冇問題可以問我哋其餘嘅演員咧？中間呢一位淺藍色衫，跟住有個深藍色、深色、淺色，唔該。
你好啊，多謝導演。我代表一位喺 Rolling Credits 出現過嘅人，因為佢好似同你即係總之多謝佢啊，即係代表佢多謝你。OK。咁我想問嘅問題，想問太武先生嘅。我覺得呢個角色其實唔容易呢個角色，因為我覺得都幾難睇。即係我覺得你呢個導演，即係 sorry 呢個電影裏邊，你又唔係話即係純粹貪財，又唔係，因為我見到啲情感嘅流露，即係可能你對於即係之前你同呢位同歐嘉文即係都似一家人咁樣嘅關係，咁去到一啲利益嘅嘢出現咗嘅時候。有啲好複雜嘅情緒感覺出咗嚟。我想問太武先生，你會唔會覺得其實你做呢一套電影，會唔會都有啲困難咧？其實或者你拍呢個電影嘅時候，會都覺得即係呢個心裏邊一啲矛盾，會唔會都有咧？其實多謝你。
The role of the elder brother, which is played by Taibo, it's a very complex character because, you know, is he an evil person? Is he a good person? He's sort of somewhere always put in between. And the other thing is that was he actually mercenary and trying to get the apartment?